Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you how to use freeforms on iPhone in iOS 16.2 update. Recently Apple launched the iOS 16.2 update for the iPhone and iPad users. In iOS 16.2 update, how to use freeform on iPhone. Before the starting this video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and iPad. In this brand new video, I will show you how to use the freeform on iPhone. Now the first one most important question is, what is the freeform? Freeform is basically collaborative whiteboard for the Apple ecosystem. It is a flexible canvas where you can brainstorm ideas, start with mood boards and also sketch out design in real time with another. Most amazing features freeforms is you can collaborate with up to 100 people on single board. Now the second amazing feature is you can also communicate with the collaborators using iMessages or FaceTime while working on freeform board. It's an amazing freeforms applications for the iPhone and iPad users. Now the second question is, in my iPhone iOS 16 update after freeform applications not available. Freeform applications is only available on the iOS 16.2. If you have not, then go to the settings, then tap on the general. In general, now scroll down and tap on the software update. You can easily get the iOS 16.2 update. Now the first of all, find out the freeform applications and open it. When you open it for the first time, an onboarding message will appear. Now tap on the continue to proceed. An empty board will open. You will find all the drawings and creative tools at the bottom of the screens, and also tools for the collaborations or managing your board at the top. In empty canvas, you can easily draw your ideas and also sketches on these applications. It's an amazing applications for iOS 16.2 update. Now the third one's question is, how to invite to freeforms on iPhone after iOS 16.2 update. Now the simple step is, open the freeform applications on your iPhone. Open it. After, you can see also top corner share icon available. Tap on the share icon. After, you can see also this type interface show signing in the iCloud. Now simple tap on the go to settings. In the settings, now tap on the show all. After, last option is freeforms. Now if you turn off, so guys, please make sure turn on the freeforms on your iPhone and iPad. These freeform settings turn on. After, again come back in the freeform applications. Now again tap on the share icon at the top corners and open it. After, tap on the iMessages. Open the iMessages. Now tap on the 2. After, again select the number of your friends and family members. This way too you can easily invite freeforms applications in iPhone and iPad. Now the fourth one's question is, how to rename of the board in freeform application. Now the first of all, open the freeform applications, top corner 3 dots. Now please make sure tap on it. Tap on the 3 dots. After, you can see also pop-up is available. Now select the renames. This way too you can easily change the name of the board. Now the last question is, how to draw on the freeform applications on iPhone. Open the freeform applications. After, you can see also in empty canvas bottom side many tools available. You can easily use and also draw the sketches on freeforms. I hope this video helpful for you. This way too you can easily freeforms on your iPhone after iOS 16.2 update. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you need query about it, so please DM on Instagram. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.